What's up, friends? My name is Blake from Chasing Creative, and today I want to talk to you about Shopify apps. If you're thinking about starting a Shopify app, or maybe you have an existing one, there's a lot of different things you can focus on. As a former head of marketing at a top data app, I firsthand have seen the complexities that come with the ecosystem. Now, you get to work off an amazing platform called Shopify. That's a given. But there's an incredible amount of competition and growing, with thousands and soon to be tens of thousands of apps on their platform, all gunning for the same market share and to be on page one. Now, a benefit of being a Shopify app today is that there didn't used to be ads or analytics for Shopify apps to really keep tabs on what they're doing. Today, now you can run ads to be on page one, and you can use your analytics to see where folks are coming through at the top of the funnel into the add app button. Now, I have a free report that you can use and connect in your analytics if you're using Google Analytics 4 and pumping that into your app store. When you log into partners, you'll be able to add it there. You can download this and use it for free and make a copy to be able to track and see the attribution of the pages that folks are coming from. You can also see the percentage month over month, or whatever duration that you choose, the growth that has happened with your app. Now, the ecosystem, there's a lot of different things that you can do. One, partnerships, probably the main thing to grow and sustain your business. All of these apps are working together to be able to collaborate around the offer that they have for their clients, customers, or brands. These brands love working with tech partners, but they don't always want to socialize. So a lot of these founders have their own events for D2C brands because they don't always want to be sold to. Your product should sell itself. And I don't mean product-led growth, because those days are kind of gone. Your product needs to be good, and it needs to instantly show how it creates ROI or a better experience for a customer, obviously increasing retention for a brand. So making sure that you build partnerships with other apps that have these earned reputations is crucial. Then partnering with agencies. Your app should be plugged in with the best agencies that use your tech stack for their customers, because every agency does something different, and they're always making referrals. While there is some pay to play that can happen here as far as percentages, most don't really care. They just want to recommend the best products. We do the same thing here at Chasing Creative, where we've already recommended tools that people use, and now we are partners with those actual tech tools after recommending them. Or use a company called G2, where you can type in the software that you're interested in, and it will show you the competitors and actual verified reviews. Now, these reviews anybody can give, but they do have to go through an actual portal of being a customer, partner, and so on. So it's not just one of these kind of made up reviews that you can see. The last thing about launching an app is that you have to have a clear mission in mind as far as growth. A lot of apps are out there just to grow and scale their customer base. It makes a lot of sense. But what is your roadmap for your product in the next 5 or 10 years, including AI? Because the best tools that I use today that are in the top leagues all have some incorporation of AI to make the product easier and better to use for the customer. So thinking through, how can AI speed up the process for the customer to use the tool faster, or fill in any of the blanks that might be missing. Now, these are some of my thoughts about the Shopify app space as we go into 2025. I hope it's helpful to you. And if you're launching an app, make sure to download that Looker report that's free to use to connect your analytics. And that way you can actually see what's happening behind the scenes in your store. There's also a platform called Sassy that will allow you to track your keywords against competitors and see how it ranks with the searches. My name is Blake from Chasing Creative, and if we can ever be of a hand, visit chasingcreative.io.